Alright guys, sorry for the wind noise, but we are taking this hood off of the Trans Am, and I bought something. I bought a Ram Air hood. It's red, but I figured this is red, calipers are red, that's red. Wonder what a full red hood would look on this. I'm in trouble, gotta go. I think there's just like a few bolts. I think it's just, let's see. Gotta take these two off, those two off over there. This mount here for the shock. I think that's what you call it, the shock. That one. And I gotta take this off and this off and put all of this, those, and it's sitting in the van over there, but on the new hood. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to go find my tools that I need to take this hood off. So anyway, this is what it looks like. I mean, if it was pushed all the way down, of course. But I've never been a fan of these hoods. I like Ram Air. So this is what it looks like before, okay? Alright, hold on. Alright guys, she's naked, as you can tell. So now I'm gonna go grab the other hood out of the van and throw it on there. I don't want to show you guys until it's all the way on, so you guys can be like surprised. Alright, hold on. I have put on the hood. It's a little too much red. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it's a little too much red. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. You guys tell me what you think. I think eventually I'm gonna go ahead and paint it white, or I don't know, whatever. Tell me what you guys think. All right. Sexy little beast. Only thing wrong with this, guys, is this. See that gap? See, the front's fine, but look, the middle right here is not lined up with here. It's off. Can you tell? I mean, everything else looks pretty good. Like, see this side? This side's closer than this side. So I don't know. I tried to do different things and I couldn't get it lined up perfectly. I mean, it shuts and latches, opens, but I'm gonna show you guys something. Show you what I did. Hi, sweetie. I'm gonna open you here. This is this ain't fake. This is a true airflow system, but as you guys can see. But anyway, see this shock strut, whatever you call these things? I broke it on this side. I broke this this strut. Damn it! So I have to get a new one of those. But this hood is so light that one of those shocks will hold it up. So, but yeah, so I'll shut it. And hold on, I'm gonna close this. Hold on. Was that loud? I know I haven't been making videos lately, guys. I've been busy. I really have. Let me get my car. Let me explain myself. I was gonna say I'm pretty good, but no, I'm not. Guys, so what's been going on with me and why I haven't been making videos lately? On my other channel, Throck Rocket, I explained I'm a transporter, right? Or I'm telling you guys, I'm a transporter. So I go across country delivering different kind of school buses and stuff like that, transit buses. But right now I'm in school getting my CDL, trying to get my CDL. I actually test this coming Thursday, March 1st. And I'm a bit nervous. I really am. And it's not driving the truck. I can drive a truck just fine. I can shift to 10 speed just fine. It's the maneuvers is what the parallel park. You got to do a 90-degree back. The offset. There's another one. I can't think of what it is. But first, what you do is you do your pre-trip. You do your in-cab inspection. You do your 3 skills test. If you pass, like if you do your pre-trip and pass, you move on to your skills test. You pass those 3, you move on to driving. So I do that this Thursday. And if I pass my test, I make more money because the company that I work for pay their CDL drivers more than somebody that doesn't have a CDL. So if I had my CDL, I can transport bigger vehicles, like bigger school buses, semis, because they have a big contract through Volvo, delivering Volvo semis. So that's the last few months of my life. My life has revolved around school, CDL crap, memorizing everything you got to know on that truck. That's what's been going on with me. The only thing I've done to this car, besides the hood, I put exhaust tips on. That's all I've done. So, yeah. You know what else I need is freaking. That one's not bad, but a door panel on this side because these what do you call them? These switches for the windows. It doesn't like to stay down in the hole. This is what I'm talking about. See that? It doesn't stay down. It annoys me. It really does. So, anyway, guys, I do appreciate you watching. More videos are coming, guys, especially after Thursday. If you guys want to see traveling videos of me going across country, let me know. Because instead of uploading them to my other channel, my bigger channel, I might just upload them here. I don't know. But of course, I upload my car videos and stuff as well. So, alright guys, I do appreciate you watching. Always stay positive to yourself. And always think positive. Peace.